It's hammer time, and today we're solving a missing leg for a right triangle.
It's Southwest 212. Let's get to it. What we're going to do is take the hypotenuse squared and subtract the leg that we do have squared. So that's 5 squared. To get this missing side, since it's the smallest leg, I like to call it A. So I'm going to call it A squared. So if you are like every other student, you're not going to want to write these out. You're just going to want to punch that whole thing in your calculator and hit enter. So go ahead and do that now. If you're watching this video, hit pause real quick and see if you got it right. What is that?
56.
That is 56. So A squared. And one last step. You just take the square root and you will have the side length. So we're going to take the square root. We'll round it to the first decimal place. And we take the square root of 56, we get
7.5.
and we get 7.5. Write it in on your shape right there, 7.5. And that is how you solve for a missing leg on a right triangle. Over and out.